Expert advice on how to make money online. Have you ever wondered how people can make money online? Being able to make money by sitting at your computer at home seems too good to be true. However, it is very possible, and there are wonderful opportunities out there. Watch this video to learn more about options that are available to you. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. There are a number of revenue-sharing sites that you should look into if you like to write. These sites let you choose topics to write about, and some of the income from visitors goes to you. The other advantage is that these sites are tied in with the Amazon affiliate program, which increases your earnings. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Making money online is not that complicated. More and more people are getting into it because it liberates them from a 9-to-5 job. This video offers a few suggestions that you can consider, but more is out there. Continue to learn about opportunities so you can find the perfect business to get into. Student loan.